Hey, this is Yvette with Beneventi Auctions, and we are down in Iowa, in Granger, Iowa, and the Beneventi Chevrolet auction is this Saturday starting at 10 a.m. The auction will be live, in person, and also online bidding. Let's take a quick look here. We got the cars out, and surprise, surprise, we have a lot of parts. These are going to be sold after the cars, and it'll be for bidders in person. I am going to pull some of the NOS parts out and put them online, but I did not know exactly what he had for parts. We'll just do a quick look here. It's going to be hot, so bring your water. There's our fuel-injected Corvette. A 70 Chevrolet, just awesome. 396 car. Here's our triple black Monty 72, brand new with the window sticker. There's 76 Monte Carlo. There's that IROC. I had one drooling. The brand new 77 Camaro. That Laguna. New Camaro, new Corvette 74. That unique 79 Monte Carlo, which was sold new, traded back. And that 75 Caprice Classic convertible. The DeLorean, the brand new anniversary Corvette. And we're going to have probably 4 tables of parts, guys. There's a lot of stuff. I was unaware. He said he had a few parts, but there's more than that. I'm going to pull some of this stuff. I'm finding NOS, 69 Camaro, 67 Camaro door guards. There's also used parts. Emblems. I'm going to pull those. But brand new door guards for Chevelle, Camaro, Nova. We'll pull some of them. And there's more coming. This will be sold after the cars. So some pretty cool stuff that we're finding. All the way back to the 40s. We'll have about 4 of these picnic tables full. There's some newer emblems, but really cool stuff. Also found big block heads brand new in the box. So again, this Saturday, 10 a.m., Granger, Iowa, Beneventi Chevrolet. And go to vanderbrinkauctions.com. Again, August 15th is the next one after this. And that'll be vintage motorcycles and Indian, Harley, British imports, and more. But you're going to want to be here at Beneventi Chevrolet in Granger, Iowa on Highway 141 this Saturday, 10 a.m. See you there.